In today's video, I will be showing you how to paste without formatting here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to copy some data without copying the same format from the original data. So here in my example, I have this attendance sheet. And again, what I want to do is to just copy the data without a format. So I can do so by just selecting that range. There you go. Right click on that selected range and select copy. Or you can do your keyboard shortcut of Control or Command C. Then I'm going to go to another sheet where I'm going to paste that data. Now that's totally up to you. It can be in the same sheet or an entirely different spreadsheet. Once you've copied the data, all you have to do now is to click on the cell where you want to paste it, right click, and select Paste Special. If we do paste right now, it will copy everything, the data and the formatting. But if we go back and try that again, but this time with a Paste Special, we can select Values Only. And again, there's a keyboard shortcut for this, so you don't have to right-click, select Paste Special, and click Values Only. You can always do Control-Shift and V or Command-Shift and V. If I click on that, there you have it. We haven't copied any of the formatting from the original source, but just the data right here. So let's try that again. I'm just going to do that, and this time we're going to do it with our keyboard shortcut. So that's going to be Control or Command, Shift, and V. So instead of just Control V or Command V, we're adding the Shift key so that this time we don't copy the format as well. And there you have it. This really comes in handy when you're just trying to copy some data. For example, if I were to just copy this part right here, so I'm just going to do our keyboard shortcut of Command or Control C. There you go. Go back to your new sheet or to wherever you want to paste this data. And then Control Shift and V or Command Shift and V. There you have it. I've copied the same data without the formatting from the original source. So that's how you can paste without formatting here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.